they said about wanneer hulle al vanoggend al tyres gebrand het. Hi guys, I am live. The night alive worked.
I had to laugh because the username said white sands.
White sands.
Mm.
Wow. White sands. We are live in the building. Yo, did you guys see how gold is dropping? It's dropping crazy. It's dropping like crazy. Okay, this was this morning's trade. So let me just take it off. Look at the market now with fresh eyes. We currently see a major break at this area. Also, yeah. Welcome to the live. Right. Gold is dropping like crazy. So I'm just trying to find my feet here. I am thinking it wants to come to 2880, but it's due for a pullback. I've seen gold. We took a sell this morning. This was a beautiful sell. Actually, I got in right here. So this was the zone this morning. When we entered here, where he sold it to this area. And now I saw it went all the way down. This was a 2900. I knew it's gonna go there. That's where I had this support here, this key area. So I think it's gonna consolidate right here, like it's doing now, on like it did here. So I think that's what's gonna happen here now. And like I said, we had a major break right here. So that's a area of interest, and then right here. So I'm just waiting to see how price is coming together. Yo, this gold dropped so hard. Just give me a second, I'll be back now. Hi guys. Just went to fetch my phone. Oh. Let's see. I made good money this morning, so I'm not sure I want to take a trade tonight. However, and this drop was crazy. I mean, we got in, we did the sales from here to here this morning, all the way down here to 2928. Yeah. So from there we took a sell, and then it came back to the zone again, and then it started to drop. Okay, so I just want to see whether this is gonna pull back all the way up and come back down, or are we looking at a continuation of? So what I want to see now, as you can, if you look at previous structure, we broke down through a previous low and this low here, but this candle is busy forming, so it's interesting to see where it's gonna close. My gosh. Hi, Peter. Hi. Yeah, welcome on the live. So yeah, we see a lot of bearish momentum, strong bearish momentum on gold. We notice that price broke through this previous low here, and then also around here, and then another low was broken. So I'm just waiting for the 15-minute candle to close, to see whether we're gonna continue taking sells. Do I see price can drop more? Yes, I do, but this is a 4-hour candle, and it's supposed to close at 7. So it's going to be interesting to see whether it's going to continue dropping to, maybe, let's see, because this is a previous key area. As you can see, I haven't marked down here with this blue line. Um, so are we gonna get a price shooting up, pulling back to the retest the previous breakout, or will it continue? That's now the question. So to answer that, I will wait for this 15-minute candle to close and see. Because what could happen is price coming all the way up here and retest here, this area of interest. So yeah, or not. This is also a nice zone that the market is forming there. So I'm thinking it wants to continue. Then we will look at levels 287, 286. Definitely, then we will target those levels there. So let's wait for 7. It's now 15 minutes. Let me see how that 15-minute candle close. Ooh, looks good. So I am thinking, guys, that price wants to continue dropping if it comes back to 2898. It definitely looks like it wants to drop more into this area here, or even 288. Retesting these weeks. That's what I'm getting. So let's just put that one there and check it out. So let's wait to see if it's going to pull back into our zone 2900 to 902. Would also be a great entry. Maybe around there. Let me see the stop loss. It's about much. So if we get a retest here, hmm, it's about big. I think I definitely need to come in more. It all depends on my risk as well. Let's just see how far back that. Because now, a tap in, tap twice. I mean, nothing stops it from continuing going down. But if it comes and it gives us a tap right inside and rejects, then it's definitely going to continue down. So let me see this. So for me to enter, I need at least for it to enter to pull back. Oop. For me to enter, it has to come back to 2903. Then I will still consider getting in. But I'm looking at this also. Just want to see something. Ooh, that looks a bit better. Hmm, that looks a bit better. A buy order. Okay, so I'm gonna talk you through the market structure now. I'm going to talk you through the market structure. Okay, so for structure, to understand structure, you must start with a higher time frame, right? Now, we are currently looking at gold, the overall trend of gold. When I talk about the trend, I just mean whether it's an uptrend or downtrend. We can see it's still ongoing in an uptrend, right? But what we have seen, a breakout of that uptrend, it made a double top there, right here, this double top. So price is currently bearish. It's a strong bearish momentum. So how far do I think it's gonna go? It started. Yeah, I do think this is the area, or 2850 around here, 2851. It wants to drop all the way here and then continue going up, because it has been doing this now, going up, but it has to come back to continue going up. That's what I'm thinking. That is what structure is saying. Currently, we have a break of structure right here. You can check, you don't even need this trend line here. That is for seeing the structure. If you look on the 1 hour, right? You see this low here. You look to your left, you see a low. So you can agree with me that structure has been broken. It took out that low. Now we see a continuation of that bearish momentum. So now we just need to find out how far will this bearish still drop. And this is where I'm thinking it's going to go. Sorry guys, I just have to look at the smaller time frame quickly. Now you see what I'm waiting for now, because I use supply and demand to enter. I spotted the supply zone. There's my wicks there. Let me delete this. So I wanted price to come back into my supply zone in order to ride the trend TP1 282, TP2 2870. So that is the current structure. Yes, 2880. Peter, that could be the case. It go all the way down there. So I'm just waiting for a pullback now. So I don't know that I can't show everything on the screen because I'm looking at, otherwise I'm gonna zoom out like this. Let's see how it looks if I do that. Because I'd like to zoom in. I took a sell, if you can see here this morning. I'm a bit iffy because price could also retrace all the way back. And then this zone here becomes invalid. So I just want to see if the zone is gonna hold before I enter. I want to check if the zone is gonna hold. So 5 minute, 15 minute. All right, so it's pulling back. That's the kind of pullback that I was waiting for now. But after the pullback, I'm also waiting for a rejection. So I need to see a rejection before I will enter. But I am looking at if it comes as like at least into 92899. That's where I'm looking to enter. I'm looking to sell, eh? I'm not looking to buy. Okay, let's go. So the plan is if it comes back or even just step into our zone, our stop loss just above my zone here. That's why I wanted to come in a bit more. If I wait for it to come in a little bit more, then I don't need to have this type of stop loss. Your stop loss you can reduce your risk. Um, so it would be really great if price can come back into our zone and just maybe retest this week here. Let's see. Let's see. Let's see. Let me look at the 5 minute. All right, it's coming close now to my zone. It's in my zone. It tapped my zone. I'm gonna open a position. Right, I'm in. I'm gonna add if I see it pull back more, I'm gonna add more. Just wanna see. I just opened one position now. So I sold gold. So it just tapped our zone. Okay, let's go gold. I just wanna check something quickly. 09, 2899, 28991, 2892. Okay, so we entered around here. 289.50. So stop loss. Okay, let's see. Here we go. I'm gonna delete this because I got that pullback, tapped into our zone on this week here, tapped into our zone. So based on that, I entered when I saw that. Um, what lot size do you trade on? What are you trading? What do you trade with ZAR rands or do you trade with dollar, Peter? Okay, here we go. I'm throwing my max would be 0.10 when you're trading with a USD account. But then also I open multiple. I would open three positions maximum, 0.10 lots. That is when your account size. If I trade small accounts like $1,000, then you on my average risk is um, risk 40 to $60 per trade. But it all depends on your. If you're trading a ZAR account, a RAND account, yeah, I would say stick it out with 0.04. But depends on your account size. I don't know what your account size is, so um, but you always have to work out how much are you able to risk per trade. You can't risk 50% of your account size. You can't. Say for instance, you have a 5,000 rand. You can't risk 2,500 on one trade. At least say I'm gonna risk 500 rand per trade, then your lot size is depending on that because now, say for instance, you use 0.02, 0.02, that is 36 times. You must calculate your lot size, your based on your stop loss and your take profit. Oh, this is good. So okay, it's starting to drop now, so that's good. Yeah, if you keep it small, 0.01 on gold, you can still make nice money. Um, don't go into big when you're in your account size. It's all about account size. I would say like with my mentee one, like she started with she's now doing 0.04, I think. But that's when she's willing to risk 1,000 rand per trade setup. But 0.01, three positions, good to go. All right, I like the way it's dropping now. Oh, this is good. Okay, let's see. So structure is now, you can see we're starting to see price. Price is dropping. I do think it wants to touch our zone again. So yeah, it's 7 o'clock now. Yeah, it should come. The momentum should start now. So I'm doing multiple things on once. For me, I am not greedy. Once I'm up in profits, good profits, I take my money. I don't still like this morning I held a trade long, very long until through the London session to New York session. So that's not I don't really hold trades that long, but this morning I could see structure is gonna play out. Um so you have to know when what trades is going to really go to according to structure, and just cut your losses early. Don't wait for you to don't wait to give all your money back. Just cut your losses early. That's my like my go-to. I cut losses early. Oops, yo, almost pressed the wrong button here. Damn, I'm chatting. I'm managing the trade. I'm chatting. Let me see. Yes, I'm in this trade. I'm in this live trade. Someone just asked me now. Yeah. Yeah, I want to check something here. Oh, it smells good. Okay, it's putting back. Let's go. You can still enter if you want to take this train. It does take sometimes before it drops. But we can see it once it drop, right? All those weeks, weeking off rejections. And after this, it's gonna drop even more. Come on, go. It's good. Let's check something quickly. Thank you. So he's gonna drop now. She's gonna drop now. She's bound to drop now. Hmm. Patience. Patience. What are you doing now, Gold? Mm-mm. 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 It looks like it's the same like last night. Damn, we waited so long for that last night we took a bite, and it was consolidating, and said I just wanted to break that week. Eventually, when it broke the week, it went to our TP, and it went even further. Gold shot up so crazy after that. That's why you with gold you have to be patient. Not just with gold, but yeah, it will test all your patience. Sorry. Let's go, gold. There's much more momentum tonight than last night, though. 'Cause last night I was just worried about why the momentum, no volume in the market. Oh, sorry for that noise. Let me just switch, close my window. No, why are you pulling back? That's not what you're supposed to be doing. Don't worry, the structure is still valid. The structure is still valid, and the zone is still valid. So it's just consolidating to continue going down. Oh, nope. That's not good. Close to my stop loss. That is not good. Hmm. So close to my stop loss. No, man. I'm gonna close as soon as I did my stop loss. I know it's a tight stop loss, but I'm not taking the chance with when it closed in my zone though. Just because it's still under this blue line, I'm still fine, but once it hits my stop loss, I'm out. I'm out. Because that means my zone becomes invalid if the candle close now in the zone above this blue line here. Hmm. Ah, come on. Tell me what you want to do. Let me just check on this. Yep. Yep, I'm out. I'm gonna take the loss. I'm gonna take the loss. I'm out. I'm out. Ah, this is so annoying. 2 minutes before this candle close. All right, so I'm gonna go through this trade now. Uh, on the 15 minute, you'll see here price came. That's why my stop loss was here because as soon as it came to my in my zone above this key level here, I knew the trade came invalid. So I'm taking the loss. It's fine. Even breaking these highs now. So if you check your higher time frame, it's busy. It's going to reverse now. Like I said here, where it broke out, it's going to reverse. So it's definitely reversing now. Yep. It's definitely that win of this morning. The sell off it sold off too. Too much. It sold too much, man. It has to pull back now. So yeah, we did sell very low. So um, I'm accepting the loss. Yeah, yep. You can see it's starting to break structure now to the upside. Wow. So all that we actually got was this little bit of movement. This movement, and then it started to shoot up. It's all good. We close is a good thing. We closed. Yeah. All right. So what I saw this morning was I just wanna delete this quickly. So as you can see now here, no, what price did so this 4 hour candle did not close yet. So price came. I thought it's gonna continue to retest this low here. However, it broke through, but as you can see, it's starting to pull back now. So it's definitely pulling back to this breakout here at 292. So if you have buys, if you are in buys, I do think it's definitely going there to retest according to structure. It's not gonna go in a straight line, as we all know. It's gonna probably just do this and then get there, but eventually it's going up. Because I took a sell this morning from this area and I saw it broke retest here. I thought it's gonna come all the way lower to this, but seems like it's now reversing. So yeah, that's a life for tonight. We're not always gonna win. That's a given. You must be ready to lose also. So yeah, let's see what we have here. Overall, I had a good day. Okay. Oh yeah, we just sold at a late time. But yeah, okay, guys, thank you. I don't trade on Wednesday, so I'll see you on Thursday. Definitely. We'll make some money on Thursday, and then Friday I will also. Friday, will I be? Yeah, it's still questionable if I will be doing live trading on Friday because I have something on. But yeah, thank you guys for being on the live. Thank you for engaging Strongs with your trading. We are taking the setups on Thursday again.